This is the chest Gado Gado behind me actually, yeah, but at the front as well. I'm in Seminyak. A little bit eerier today due to, well, I don't know, just started eerier today. I'm gonna show you what's going on around. Well, it's a nice place. So at the front is the Anantara in Seminyak, and yeah, it's pretty alright. So some people coming in and out from the beach. Hotel seems pretty busy. It's well facing the ocean directly, so why not? And the Chest Gado Gado is just next to it on the other side. So yeah, and this is the parking. If you drive a car, you have to park there. And then there is some main entrance to the beach. Now everything looks a little bit slightly different because obviously, you know, nice gates, nice promenades, and all of this stuff. So definitely I'm gonna show you a little bit around today, and a little bit eerier, so sun is pretty sharp still. Here's Gado Gado from the beach. Definitely if you came a little bit later will be slightly busier, but I wanted really in purpose today show you a little bit what's going on actually 4:30 p.m. Because the light is still beautiful, and sometimes I have a feeling as more people actually chilling properly during the daytime on the beach, because some people just coming for the sunset and you know, and they go. So this is it. Overall very enjoyable, and there are even some training for surfers. So that's the vibe on the beach, by the beach actually. I don't know why they had to do the U-turn, but you see actually the bars still, this is the best time to come if you want to have a good spot on the bar by the beach. But also those bars even during the sunset can be a little bit quiet because it's not La Plancha. La Plancha is more there in the front where I'm heading now. But overall very tropical vibe, very laid back. But this is Seminyak vibe, not Canggu, no Legian vibe, but Seminyak vibe. And overall Bali is like that. Canggu will be different than Seminyak, Seminyak will be different than Legian. Even the both of them, three of them look similar. They are totally different vibes. Legian and Seminyak is different, as you could feel it actually. Different kind of bars, different kind of environment, just simply different vibes. Better, worse, probably everybody have a different preferences, whatever you like it. I will show you at the front now. Whatever it is, for sure this one is very tropical. You can also have a shisha, loud music. The bars are more organized because they actually restaurants and they have tables by the beach, so it's less independent sellers, so that's why the vibe is totally different. Some huge group of the people here waiting for the seat. Here we go, what's going on. Wow, this is La Plancha vibe. People have to wait for the table on the street, still early, and the photographers. You see totally different vibe and totally different people coming in, like. And of course everybody wants to sit there on the beanbags by the beach. So yeah, different vibes. What I'm gonna tell you, the sunset still sun is high. This is it, and that's how they're cleaning the box. If you don't like it, you can still enjoy in the local warung like this one. Only sitting in the small bar with the, you know, in the locals with the locals, but in the small, you know, place where only 5-10 people in the one warung like, and having just the beer without the food. Kuta and Legian may suit you a little bit more, but if you're looking for something more like this one, Seminyak definitely is better. Canggu is totally different. You saw it yesterday. If you haven't yet, highly recommend it. You could watch it. Behind me also is some hotel, and there are other hotels like the Abel 6 Luxury Collection and stuff like this one. Anyways, now I would like to talk about the two technical things in the next upcoming days. This week I'm planning to make a video, you know, question and answers. I already asked people on Instagram, everybody who follow me, so you know it. Also make a question in the community tab on YouTube, but not everybody having a look on this. So if you have any questions regarding me, us, me, Winnie, YouTube channel, and all of this stuff, you can just simply write the comment, and I will try to make a special video where we're only gonna talk, and you know, you're gonna know something more about me and about the Winnie. Of course, if you're interested. If not, it's okay. Overall, that's about the beach. They have a public toilet right now, 5,000, and you can do your stuff. Anyways, that's the street situation, and there is the, what's the name, Kokon? I don't remember. Yeah, Kokon Beach Club. It's open finally, eventually. Some people coming. So this is it. This is the main street situation. Actually, I'm gonna get closer a little bit. Kokon. Somebody asked me last time. It's open, and it's also parking area and the border with the Padma. So if you go into that direction, there will be already the Legion actually, and then there will be the Padma. But here it's still Seminyak, considered double six area, and the Kokon Beach Club. It's even more interesting because this beach club don't face the beach, face the street, and behind there are restaurants, and then there is the beach, but it's just next to the double six hotel. It was closed for 3 years, and they just opened like a month ago, a few weeks ago, recently. Yeah, but it was popular before, so I believe it's gonna be still. There were some people inside, even probably more than inside the bars by the beach. So yeah, and this is the double six. When I was driving a car, that was my favorite parking area. But now when I'm driving a bike, it's easier to park. Yeah, it's missing driving a car a little bit, to be honest. But this is life, right? Anyways, the traffic is so bad nowadays. Probably nobody noticed that, but actually between all of this there are some temples, the Seminyak one, and there's hotel behind, hotel at the back, La Plancha behind. But yeah, but the temple is still here, guys. Don't forget this is Bali, not the Ibiza, right? Anyways, all of this belongs here to La Plancha. Oops, I nearly fall down. Yeah, they built with the wood, from the wood, refurbished, like, you know, taking from the old boats and stuff. You can also get inside, and this is what I showed you, where the people queuing by the beach. And the horse casually here. Here we go. Where they are going, actually. Here we go. To show you they're going there. The boys, parking boys. Yo, what's the horse with girls driving around. Cool. A nice Vespa. Yeah, what am I gonna tell you? I think you don't need my comments on this, right? Also, walking here is a little bit tricky behind this because this is like a small path, but the motorbikes are allowed to drive, cars not. But sometimes when it's busy, it's a lot of them, and sometimes people are crashing here. So always be careful. This is the area where I park my bike. If I'm still gonna find this, where is it? Because so many of them. And you may be surprised, but this is also a temple actually. I think this land was crematorium, but I may be wrong. Maybe it's just empty one. And that's the bars from the street perspective how they are looking. Yeah, this is it. And this is the Chess Gado Gado just behind the temple. Some locals and workers enjoying their bakar, corn. That is Gado Gado already, as you can see where the boy is walking with the white t-shirt. There's the sign even of Gado Gado. Here we go. And Gado Gado is just neighbor with the temple. Yeah, this is it. This is just very interesting. And yeah, regarding the flags, also this boat have an Australian flag. That must to be. And this is it. And this is the beach promenade where I made today's video. Cyclists are allowed, so they are cycling, and they are locals, and they're wearing helmets. That's interesting. But electric scooters are not allowed on the promenade. Luckily, and seems like AirAsia is giving the brand new umbrellas again, because this one looks like a brand new. And this is it. And then I'm gonna show you last shot of the sunset today. This is it, guys. Thanks so much. I'm looking forward. I not hope so. I know I'm looking forward to see you tomorrow next, and see ya. Take care. Thanks.